Hey, hello. Always love great sites that have great content, and this one does. Just a real quick shot here. Uh, love some of the things they're doing with growing fresh produce. That's got to be terrific. Look at that shot there. Uh, look at some of the things they're doing with recipes. This looks like a fun one. Uh, haven't tried it yet. I've got to try it, and we'll go from there. Anyhow, great sites. It's always fun showing great and free sites without any marketing, without any promotions. That's the best. Finish Roger Mark from Village, Montana, and I'm going to invite most of my friends on Facebook to see that, see if they raise their hands. If they do, then we'll invite them and go from there and share great sites. If you find a great site online without promoting or uh, sponsorship, let me know. It's always great to share fun and free things. Good day.